Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on Dolby Atmos on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on sound quality and effects. Now as you can see, there is the option for Dolby Atmos. Now to enable Dolby Atmos on your smartphone, just connect your smartphone with any Bluetooth earphones. Just like that. Now as you can see, we have successfully connected our Bluetooth earphones with our smartphone. Now from here, you can enable Dolby Atmos on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on Dolby Atmos on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.